Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been several days since I've posted. It's actually been several days since I've actually done any gig work, but we're back at it today. I just had a full schedule this week, and this is like the only time I really can do it right now. I have a wedding to go to tomorrow. Sunday's Father's Day. So let's go ahead. I'm going to launch my apps and let's get this shift going. Okay, I got this offer for Walmart Spark right off the bat. It is 12 stops, curbside pickup, and I took this because it's going to take me close to my son's house, and I need to stop by there this morning. Because of that wedding, his dress shoes were still at my house, or his house. Well, you know what I mean. I live in his house. So I got to drop him off to where he lives now, since he's been married. So we're going to do this route of delivery, and then I'm going to drop off his shoes, and then we'll see what other orders happen. Okay, we got all the bags, a lot of general merchandise, a little bit of grocery, not much, and it is 12:05 p.m. estimated to take about 2 hours. And I've got everything right here in this bin, and on the floor under the bin there are 2 orders. So let's roll. The other thing I forgot to mention is on every order there's an additional $5 incentive. On shop and deliver there's an additional $6 incentive. Now I'm not positive with the incentives with the shopping, because there's 2 incentives going on, and it's only express shopping, by the way. On the express shops, if those 2 stack and it ends up being an $11 total on top of the upfront price, we will find out if I do an express shop today. Now, I've seen past YouTube videos from other creators that had a similar situation where they received an order and there were 2 incentives and they ended up getting both incentives. So that's what I'm hoping for today. It would be great to get an additional $11 on an express shopping order. But I know on this one I'm getting an additional $5 in addition to what the offer card said. Beautiful Great Pyrenees. I had to message the seller and say, I've got a Great Pyrenees at home too.
On and I'm ready to go. Rolling out slow with a song on the radio. Country air blowing through the open window. Passing little farms in the fields of...
Okay, so I just looked at my itinerary. I thought, okay, I probably have one more stop and then I'm halfway. I'm at halfway now because one stop was removed and I didn't even realize it. So we're gonna go ahead, head on to the next stop. I'm out of breath because I missed a turn and I had to walk up this long driveway.
Nothing gonna steal this smile away. Just another beautiful country day. Country roads and Walmart low. Cruising where the back winds blow. Over the hills and around each bend. Bringing smiles to my neighbors and friends. Sunshine shining, wheels rolling free. Small town life is where I wanna be. One more stop and another hello. Country roads and Walmart low. Oh, country roads and Walmart load. Got a case of water and some dog food too. Fresh picked apples and a barbecue. Kids are waving from the front porch swing. It's the little things that make me sing. Through the valley
we are done with this route. Like I said, I had to stop by my son's real quick. And then we will go on to the next delivery. Okay. And that route did take me 2 hours. I suspected it was going to take me 2 hours. I hit that pretty much on the nose. Okay, mission accomplished. Got shoes delivered to my son. Well, to his wife. He's at work. Then I decided to run here in Foodland, which is just down the street from my son's house, because I was going to run home. I figured, well, I'm going to pick up something to eat, run home for a while, then go back out. And I said, no, I'm out. So I ran in, got some dog food, got me some lunch here. So I'm going to eat my lunch. I got me an energy drink to keep me going. C4. I love this frozen bombsicle. You know, it's like those red, white, and blue popsicles that we would get as kids. And of course, I gotta have my Pringles. But I didn't get my favorite, but I got salt and vinegar. That's my backup favorite. So we're gonna go ahead. Yes, I'm gonna keep this for garbage. And I'm gonna dig in, and then I'm gonna get back to work. I love halushki. And the Foodland in my town doesn't have this. I can only get it here in Monongahela. So I was taking advantage of that. That's why I got this instead of a hoagie. Oh my God. This stuff is the bomb. It's really, really good. Okay, I finished my lunch, logged back into Spark, and got another routed delivery. 2 routed deliveries, and another $5 on top of this 76 is 81. So, and it's going to take about 3 hours. So we're looking at 5 hours worth of work today. And let me think. Well, it's definitely over $100. So 20 something an hour. But we're gonna go ahead and head over to Walmart. It's a lot of stops. I think it was 23 or 24 stops. I know one of the stops is the actual Walmart. So it's a large route. It's probably boxes, not groceries. Is what I'm assuming. And maybe I could eventually get out of here. It's just traffic. Traffic, and it's a Friday. After this car, I can go! Go, 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 go! Well, that is it. We are done with that route. And just as I thought, it did take 3 hours. So I worked 5 hours today. I do have to stop by a store on my way home, but we are going to go ahead and go over the numbers. You're not going to believe these numbers. I was pleasantly surprised. I made $141.91, and that was only with 2 routed deliveries. Now, I marked on here that my total work time was 6 hours, only because, you know, there was some repositioning travel time back to Walmart. And so, work time was actually 5 hours, my active time. But with that in consideration, I still made $23.65 per hour. I did drive 93 miles today for $1.53 per mile. That is within my goal range. So I am very happy with this shift. And, you know, I didn't have to shop. It wasn't hard work. Very, very easy.
Sun's coming up on a brand new day. Spark gap buzzing and I'm on my way. Got a backseat full and a tank topped off. Country roads calling and I'm starting off. Past the river in the old red barn. Morning breeze and a Lucky Charm. 30 stops and a whole lot to do, but I ain't rushing, I've got a view. Mile after mile and I don't mind. Windows down and I'm feeling fine. A little music in an open sky makes me thankful for this life. I'm taking the long way round, rolling through these little towns. Country miles and a peaceful view. Got a Walmart route and a whole day too. Cruising where the back winds blow. Country roads and a Walmart load. Every porch and every mailbox lane. Just another smile waiting my way. Down by the creek where the wildflowers grow. Past the places only locals know. Got dog food, groceries, paper towels too. Bringing everyday life right on through. Some folks wait and some folks smile. Makes the extra miles worthwhile. From the valleys to the mountainside, there's beauty everywhere I drive. No traffic jams and no city lights, just country songs and easy rides. Life ain't always fast and loud, sometimes slow is what it's all about. I'm taking the long way round, rolling through these little towns. Country miles and a peaceful view. Got a Walmart route and a whole day too. Cruising where the back winds blow. Country roads and a Walmart load. Every porch and every mailbox lane. Just another smile waiting my way. Through the farmland and the winding bends. Ooh, feels like old roads and old friends. Oh, yeah. Blue skies stretching far and wide. Nothing but time and an easy ride. 3 voices singing sweet and strong, keeping me company all day long. No matter where these roads may roam, out here the journey feels like home. Taking the long way round, rolling through these little towns. Sunshine shining and the wheels still roll. These country roads feed my soul. Cruising where the back winds blow. Country roads and a Walmart load. From one front porch to the next one down. Grandma Dasher's covering ground.
Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too, and I will see you in the next one.